Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to write ABAP logic in AMDP. Those who are working on SAP HANA as a developer, it is very important to know and to learn AMDP. So in this tutorial, I have picked up 4 ABAP statements like delete, sort, delete adjacent duplicate from, if else. So these are the statements available in ABAP. So we're going to write the same concept in SAP AMDP because in AMDP we don't have these statements because AMDP is a database procedure language. So we're going to accomplish the same requirement what we can write in SAP ABAP. So we will be explaining side by side using very easy example how to accomplish these statements in AMDP. So first we will start with delete. So in the case of delete, we can see that we can write the delete statement directly like delete source package where amount equal to 0. Whereas to accomplish the same requirement, we have to write like in MDP out tab equal to select star from. Suppose this is that what you can write in the routine from table name where amount equal to not equal to 0. So this also meaning that it will take all the data where amount not equal to 0, and whereas in case of ABAP it is deleting the data where the amount equal to 0. So that's the same thing we can write in ABAP and AMDP. So now moving with next sort. So in the case of sort statement, we can directly write the statement as sort, then table name, then by the field's name. Like here in this case, I have picked up as material and plant. Then this table will be sorted by material and plant. But in MDP, we have to write the order by. The sort can be replaced by order by. Select star from the table name, then order by material plant. So thus both are same, but yes, we are not using the sort statement in MDP because it's a database language, so these are the statements are not available. So now moving with the next one. So it is the delete adjacent duplicate from. So this delete adjacent duplicate from is replaced by row number. So I will be explaining now. Like in ABAP, we can write like delete adjacent duplicate from the table name. Like in this case, I have used an internal table I tab comparing material and plant. So wherever it finds the combination material plant with duplicates, then it will duplicate that data and it will show the distinct value. So whereas in the case of MDP, what we can do like select star, and here we're going to introduce a new column that's rank RNK. So what we're going to do, we're just doing partition by material and plant, then order by material and plant again. So in this case, it will do a kind of separation between the duplicates, and it will make a order like 1 2 3 4 kind of, and it will then in the next line you should write like select star from your table 1 where rank equal to 1. So all the data, all the distinct value which is having material and plant will be coming into the output. So that's the way actually you can write it. And the last one we have now if else. So how we can write if else in ABAP and AMDP. So this in AMDP, this if else can be accomplished by case when. So let me just read this first ABAP logic, and I have used this if else in a loop. So we can see that loop at I tab assigning FS tab, it's a field symbol. So now FS month, suppose I have just introduced for for understanding, like FS tab month equal to Jan, then cal day equal to 31, else if month equal to Feb 28, and then else 30, and you have to end with end if, then end loop. And whereas in the MDP we can write in an easy way that case When month equal to Jan, then 31, month equal to Feb, then 28, else 30, and SQL cal day. So that's a way actually you can also write the same concept in case when. So that is the end of the tutorial. So I believe you have understood it well, and if you have really liked it, please subscribe the channel and also comment below how you liked it and what more you want to know. And please also look into the other tutorials I have given below in the description, so that will help you to understand the different SAP module. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.